Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi Blueberry Crisp. It's very easy to make gluten-free too if that's a need, but it's totally up to you. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is create the topping. For the topping, you'll need the 2 cups of blueberries, maybe a little bit more. We're going to cover the whole bottom part of the Ninja Foodi pot. Half a cup of granulated sugar, half a tablespoon of flour or gluten-free flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and nutmeg, and then half a cup of water. First, you're going to start by pouring the blueberries evenly in the bottom of the Ninja Foodi pot to cover the whole thing. Now you're going to combine the topping ingredients. So combine the sugar, the flour, the cinnamon, nutmeg, all into a small bowl. And then you're going to pour that evenly over the blueberries. Once you have that evenly over the blueberries, go ahead and evenly pour that cup of water right on top. Now we're going to do the crumble ingredients. So you will need 1 cup of old-fashioned oats or gluten-free oats, 1 cup of flour or gluten-free all-purpose flour, 1 cup of brown sugar packed, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, and then half a cup of butter softened. Now you're going to combine all of those ingredients, mixing it together well, and then adding the softened butter last. I find it's easiest to do this with your hands and mix it all together because you're going for a real crumbly mixture here. So you just kind of want the butter worked in, not melted, but softened because we want it crumbly. Now you're going to take that crumble mixture or the crisp mixture and put it all evenly over the top of the blueberries. So you're going to make sure you do this with all of the mixture, and you're going to add it right on top, and this is going to get you that browned, crumbly, crisp mixture on top. Right before you shut the lid, you can spray it with a little bit of coconut oil if you prefer, the coconut oil spray. You don't have to though, but you can if you prefer to on top. Once you shut the lid, you're going to set the Ninja Foodi to bake function for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Now remember, for this, we're using the lid that comes with the Ninja Foodi. It's attached to it. After 40 minutes, you should open it up and have a nice brown topping that's sitting on top of those cooked blueberries. We love to serve this with a side of vanilla ice cream or frozen yogurt. It's the perfect summer dessert. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Ninja Foodi Blueberry Crisp. You can also do this in the oven too. There are recipes for that on my website, mommyhatescooking.com, as well as the full recipe for the Ninja Foodi Blueberry Crisp. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you join me again.